let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango Gold Level choreography with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, 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 slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, 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 slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. And now let's look once again to same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance chase with chasse and whisk and promenade link. We continue with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance natural twist turn, which we finish in promenade position, and we dance Fallaway promenade. Very good. Let's look once again to same choreography in slow motion from opposite angle, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start diagonally to wall and dance progressive link and continue with chase diagonally to wall, and then we move down line of dance and whisk backing diagonally to wall, promenade link and progressive link. We finish diagonally to wall in new line of dance, natural twist turn. We finish natural twist turn, ready to move down line of dance in Fallaway promenade. First part and second part diagonally to center, and we finish in promenade diagonally to corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.